These people are those who want to practice English speaking just like yourself. Pick up phone and start talking with your friends. Hi everyone, my name is Moin. There is this problem that I have heard a lot from you in the comment section of some videos. The problem of not having anyone to speak English with. You want to practice English speaking, but you don't have anyone with whom you can practice properly. So I just want to tell you something. Many of you joined the channel or subscribe to the channel later, and I have several videos that I published solving this problem of yours, because of which you are really aware of these solutions that we came up with. So I am here to tell you about the solutions which we had launched previously. Maybe before you subscribe to the channel, or maybe after you subscribe to the channel, but somehow you are not notified of that video and therefore you missed the video, or therefore maybe any other reason. Not everyone can watch all the videos of every channel, obviously I understand that. So I have launched to help you solve this problem. There is a good options I am going to talk about this video, and I request to check all these. This is going majorly solve this problem of yours not having anyone with whom you can practice English speaking with. Let's start with option number 1. I will explain a little bit about all of these options. Let's start with the first one. And now the first option that I have for you is probably the most successful option that we ever come up with. These people are those who want to practice English speaking just like yourself. Pick up phone and start talking with your friends. Option number 2, you can contact a person and write them and there got on a call with them, or you can just have a Skype or Zoom meeting, or you can start writing emails to each other and get to know each other better. And in case you are not very satisfied with this person, you have been recommended. This is a collection of some very good applications that you can start using from today. You can try all of this out and find out for yourself which one really suit you well. See if you have a problem. It's important that you do something about your problem. The problem of that not having anybody to speak in English with is a very serious problem, and that is why we are work diligently on creating solutions for you, and these are some very good solutions. Once you actually go to start looking into this, I'm sure you will be able to find several people who are willing to learn English with you, and I will be super glad. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much. All the videos are also available on my playlist, and check it out. I'll leave a link to my playlist in the description of the video. You can check that out too. Okay, bye.